Okay, it's finally here. Welcome to Country Boy Tested. This is what I've been telling y'all. This is what I've been waiting on. This is a dual wheel drive V30PRO Max. We ready. We gonna show the whole video putting this together. So this is just me showing you that it just got here. I'm about to start taking stuff out so I can get my batteries to start charging. That's my first order of business. I don't care how everybody else do theirs. My first thing is click them batteries off and get them on the charger. Then I can put the bike together without all that added weight, because it's two 20 amp batteries inside this box with this bike, which has two 2,000 watt motors. I think they're 1,500 watt nominal, 2,000 watt max. So it's 4,000 watts in this box. I can't wait. We getting ready to put this thing together, y'all.